Take a look at this. I'm your Holt neighborhood news reporter, Sarah Polis, on Holt Road, where emergency road work has started to fix a sinkhole. Neighbors tell me it's adding some time to their morning commute.
The road caved in, basically.
An unwelcome surprise for the morning commute.
Coming into work today, I wasn't sure that it was there, and I had to turn around and come back around, and it's a sinkhole.
Officials say yes.
There's a leak somewhere underneath there, which is causing what we call a blowhole.
Thursday, the Ingham County Drain Commissioner Patrick E. Lindeman closed Holt Road between Walnut Street and Cedar Street, working alongside the Ingham County Road Department and Delhi Charter Township. Officials say it's necessary to repair an underground utility failure for whatever it may be.
So we have to figure out where the water came from.
Lindeman said it's hard to tell what the infrastructure looks like when it's underground, and constant monitoring is important in catching things like this early.
And it makes it very difficult for us to keep track of what needs to be fixed and what doesn't. Hence, what you have out here today.
Until the problem is solved, Elm Street, Maple Street, and Walnut Street remain open to local traffic to and from Holt Road. One neighbor said the usual traffic rush after the 9 to 5 workday adds extra time when she delivers pizza. But now with the road closed, it could be longer.
5:30 around there, and it's worse now.
Lindeman tells me the length of the closure is to be determined, as they need to find the problem. He says it may take up to a week. In Holt, I'm Sarah Polis, Fox 47 News.